Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you ready to make cooking easier, faster, and healthier? Today, we are diving into the absolute best Amazon kitchen finds and genius kitchen gadgets that are total game changers. We've handpicked brilliant tools and appliances that tackle everything from meal prep to everyday organization. These are the Amazon must-haves that will truly upgrade your kitchen. Remember, the links to all products are in the description below, so you can easily check them out. Let's get started. 3-tier electric food steamer. This is the 3-tier electric food steamer. This is the ultimate tool for healthy, simultaneous cooking. It features 3 spacious stainless steel trays, allowing you to steam vegetables, fish, and dumplings all at once. Powered by a 1200-watt system, it generates steam quickly and has convenient features like a 24-hour delay start and auto shutoff. The benefit is effortless, nutritious meals with minimal cleanup, making healthy eating simple and fast for the whole family. It's a fantastic way to cook without added oils or fats. Multifunctional oil filter pot. This is the multifunctional oil filter pot. This clever 2-in-1 device is designed to save and reuse cooking oils safely. It's made of durable stainless steel and features a large capacity container with a fine mesh strainer built right into the lid, perfect for filtering bacon grease or used frying oil. It even doubles as a mini deep fryer with its included basket. The benefit is cleaner, healthier oil reuse, which saves money and reduces waste in your kitchen, all while providing a safe place to store grease. Expandable Lazy Susan turntable. This is the expandable Lazy Susan turntable. Finally, a Lazy Susan designed for rectangular and oblong tables. This patented design allows the turntable to expand or retract to perfectly fit your dining table, making it ideal for family dinners, gatherings, or parties. It provides easy access to shared dishes, condiments, or serving utensils without anyone having to reach across the table. The benefit is significantly improved dining convenience and serving elegance for any shape or size of table. Large stainless steel pizza cutter. This is the large stainless steel pizza cutter. Stop struggling with flimsy cutters. This professional-grade wheel features a super sharp stainless steel blade that slices through thick crusts and toppings effortlessly. It includes a necessary safety blade cover for safe storage and is designed for easy, comfortable gripping. Cleanup is a breeze as the entire slicer is dishwasher safe. The benefit is perfectly cut slices every time with minimal effort, making pizza night cleaner and more enjoyable. Electric Rotato Express Peeler. This is the Electric Rotato Express Peeler. Say goodbye to tedious hand peeling. This electric gadget effortlessly peels potatoes, fruits, and vegetables in seconds. It operates simply with the touch of a button and is designed for safe and easy use, even for children or those with limited mobility. It comes with 2 spare blades, so it's ready for any job. The main benefit is saving massive amounts of prep time in the kitchen, making healthy cooking quick and much more accessible. Dual Bowl Electric Food Processor. This is the Dual Bowl Electric Food Processor. This powerful chopper is a powerhouse for all your prep needs. It features a robust electric meat grinder and food chopper with 2 large 8-cup bowls and bi-level blades. This design allows you to process different foods, like vegetables, meat, or baby food, simultaneously without cross-contamination. The benefit is lightning-fast chopping, grinding, and blending, reducing your prep time for major meals and simplifying large cooking projects. Cuisinart 5-in-1 Griddler. This is the Cuisinart 5-in-1 Griddler. If you need versatile cooking power in a small space, this appliance is for you. It functions as a contact grill, panini press, full grill, and half grill/half griddle. The cooking plates are non-stick and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. This single machine can handle breakfast, lunch, and dinner, from eggs and pancakes to burgers and paninis. The benefit is maximizing cooking options with one compact appliance, saving counter space and simplifying cleanup. Large rice grain dispenser. This is the large rice grain dispenser. Keep your pantry tidy and your grains fresh with this large capacity storage solution. It holds 22 to 25 pounds of rice, soybeans, or corn and features a built-in fresh box to keep contents dry and pest-free. The dispenser includes a convenient measuring cup for easy and precise serving. The benefit is protected, portion-controlled, and organized storage for bulk grains, eliminating messy bags and ensuring freshness. Compact Handheld Vacuum Sealer. This is the Compact Handheld Vacuum Sealer. This powerful little gadget is a must-have for preserving food and preventing waste. It's a portable handheld vacuum sealer machine that works with the included 30 reusable vacuum bags. It removes air to seal food tightly, keeping it fresh up to 5 times longer. The benefit is superior meal prep and food preservation, locking in flavor and nutrients while dramatically extending the shelf life of your groceries. Magic Bullet Blender. This is the Magic Bullet Blender. The original personal blender is perfect for quick smoothies, sauces, and dips. This comprehensive 11-piece set provides everything you need, including cups and lids, to blend and go. Its compact size takes up minimal counter space, and its powerful motor handles ice and frozen fruit easily. The benefit is fast, easy, personal-sized blending and chopping with minimal fuss. 6-quart electric skillet hot pot. This is the 6-quart electric skillet hot pot. This is an incredibly versatile cooking vessel for dorms, small apartments, or casual dining. It features a non-stick, PFOA-free ceramic coating, a built-in timer, and 3 power settings. It can be used as a skillet for steak and eggs, or as a hot pot for soups and stews. The benefit is flexible, precise cooking right on your countertop, making it a perfect all-in-one alternative to a traditional stovetop. Blender Ball Pancake Batter Mixer. This is the Blender Ball Pancake Batter Mixer. Say goodbye to lumpy batter and messy bowls. This genius mixer allows you to mix, pour, and store your pancake, waffle, or crepe batter all in one container. The key is the Blender Ball wire whisk inside, which quickly smooths the batter when you shake it. The benefit is fast, lump-free batter preparation and an easy pour spout, making weekend breakfasts simpler and cleanup virtually non-existent. Double Deck Insulated Lunch Bag. This is the Double Deck Insulated Lunch Bag, perfect for work, picnics, or hiking. This large, leak-proof tote is designed for maximum capacity and organization. It features 2 separate insulated compartments, a double-deck design to keep hot and cold items separate. It has a wide opening and includes a comfortable shoulder strap. The benefit is keeping your food perfectly temperature-controlled and organized for hours, making meal transportation convenient and safe. Adjustable Bread Slicing Guide. This is the Adjustable Bread Slicing Guide. For anyone who loves making homemade bread, this guide ensures professional, consistent slices every time. It features adjustable width settings and a smart foldable design for compact storage. It also includes a crumb tray to catch mess. The benefit is achieving perfectly uniform slices of bread, bagels, or cakes, reducing waste and simplifying the carving process dramatically. 12-piece ceramic cookware set. This is the 12-piece ceramic cookware set. Upgrade your whole kitchen with this comprehensive, high-quality set. It features a ceramic non-stick coating that is PFOA-free and durable. The handles stay cool and the set is oven and dishwasher safe for maximum versatility and easy cleaning. It even includes a dedicated steamer insert. The benefit is healthy cooking with less oil and faster cleanup, all in a complete set that looks great and lasts long. Rubbermaid Brilliance Containers. This is the Rubbermaid Brilliance Containers. These are the gold standard for food storage. This set features BPA-free containers with truly airtight lids that provide a leak-proof seal, perfect for meal prepping and leftovers. They are crystal clear, making it easy to see the contents, and they stack neatly for efficient storage. The benefit is keeping your food fresh for longer and transporting liquids safely without any messy spills. Premium Garlic Press Set. This is the Premium Garlic Press Set. Make crushing garlic simple and enjoyable with this heavy-duty, rust-proof tool. It features an easy squeeze, ergonomic handle, and is designed to be self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. The set even includes a silicone garlic peeler and cleaning brush. The benefit is getting finely minced garlic quickly, without having to touch the cloves or deal with frustrating cleaning. A massive time saver in any kitchen. Expandable Utensil Organizer. This is the Expandable Utensil Organizer. Bring instant organization to your chaotic kitchen drawers with this beautiful bamboo tray. It features a natural bamboo finish and an expandable design that adjusts to fit most standard drawer sizes. It provides dedicated compartments for spoons, forks, knives, and other kitchen gadgets. The benefit is a neat, customized fit that keeps all your cutlery separated, making it easy to find exactly what you need when you need it.